Hey guys, welcome to Yosemite Valley, one of the most breathtaking places on earth. And yes, you can explore it with your dog today. We're showing you three must visit dog friendly locations: Lower Yosemite Falls, Mirror Lake, and Cathedral Beach. Let's jump in. Our first stop is Lower Yosemite Falls, one of the easiest and most scenic dog friendly walks in the park. This paved loop is about 1 mile round trip and give you amazing view of the falls crashing down from over 300 feet above. Pro tips: visit early in the morning or late afternoon for fewer crowds and better lighting for photos. And next up is Mirror Lake, one of Yosemite's most beautiful spots. This trail is dog friendly on leash and offers stunning reflections of Half Dome. On calm days, the full loop is about 5 miles round trip, but you can turn back halfway if you're looking for a shorter walk. Hidden Gems alert: stop by the sandy beach areas along the trail where dogs can cool off in the water during warmer months. Looking for a perfect place to relax with your pup? Cathedral Beach is a quiet picnic area along the Merced River with stunning views of Half Dome. Bring lunch, lay out a blanket, and soak in the scenery while your dog enjoys the open space. Best time to visit is late spring through early fall when the river is flowing. Pro tips for dogs owner: always keep your dogs on a leash, bring extra water and collapsible bowl. Plan your visit during spring or fall for cooler weather. Check Yosemite's pet policy updates before your trip. Yosemite Valley is more dog friendly than most people realize if you know where to go. If you enjoyed this guide, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which spot you're most excited to visit. See you on the trail.